Adidas has declared 2025 the year of the superstar, pushing luxury-inspired additions that elevate the heritage sneaker beyond its streetwear roots. The Adidas Superstar Vintage Fox Brown Croc skin exemplifies this shift, wrapping the classic 1969 silhouette in textured crocodile material with tan leather linings and a sleek black and brown finish. Marketed under the Vintage banner, this version emphasizes craftsmanship and exclusivity, aligning with Adidas' premium made-in-Germany releases through limited runs and higher price tags. By leaning into refined details, the design blurs the line between casual wear and formal versatility, reinforcing Adidas' broader strategy of positioning the Superstar as both an icon of heritage and a statement of elevated style. Globally debuting on August 14 before a US rollout, the Croc skin release cements the Superstar's evolving role in the luxury-meets-streetwear landscape.